These 5 Amazon discoveries are about to revolutionize your daily routine. Get ready for some serious home upgrades. First, automatic liquid soap dispenser that's making hygiene effortless. Touchless operation, USB rechargeable, level adjustable. Wall-mounted, bathroom, kitchen, dish soap, germ-free convenience at your fingertips. Second, mini projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth that's bringing the theater home. 180 rotatable, 1080 PHD supported, auto keystone, smartphone, TV stick, laptop compatible. Movie nights just got epic. Third, tabletop ironing board with iron holder that's saving space everywhere. Foldable design, wall mount option, portable metal construction, countertop convenience that transforms small spaces into laundry stations. Fourth, disposable toilet brush system that's ending gross bathroom cleaning forever. Toilet wand with refills, storage caddy, fragrant tablets, clean, toss, done, no more nasty brush storage. And last, 4-cup fried egg pan that's making breakfast a masterpiece. Medical stone nonstick coating, divided sections for eggs, omelets, pancakes, hamburgers, gas stove and induction, ready for perfect mornings. These aren't just gadgets, they're the smart solutions that busy families are absolutely loving. Don't miss out while these time savers are flying off the shelves. Tap shop now below, hit the link and grab yours today. Your easier life starts now.